Okay, so what we're looking at here is a mainspring barrel from Unitas caliber 6325. And I'm trying to determine if the barrel spins freely enough around the arbor. So for this reason I have meticulously cleaned the barrel and the holes in the barrel and in the cap, and of course the arbor as well. But I haven't oiled this at all, so it is dry. So let's see if we can, I'll try to show you how this barrel spins on the arbor by holding it in my brass tweezers like this. And let's see. Let's first see if we can see any end shake. And there's definitely end shake, and I can feel it. I would guess it's about 1/10 of a millimeter or so. Side shake, and I pull it, tug it. I can't feel any kind of end shake, but of course there is end shake where it wouldn't spin at all. So let's try a piece of pegwood and try to spin this one and see if I can. I'm holding it very lightly like this, just in the end, and of course I'm tilting the wheel now so that you can. I will hold it straight like that. Okay, and let's see now. Yeah, I have to apply a bit of pressure at the end of the pegwood to make it move, but it's really not much. Let's try with a piece of tissue paper. That won't work, I think. I'm pretty sure about that. Well, if I do force down the paper, I'm holding it here in the end. It spins a bit. Okay, let's try with a bit of air. I can't see in the camera now, so we'll just have to see. So anyway, there's a discussion about this on watchrepairtalk.com, so I'll include a link to that thread in the description. So if you have any ideas or opinions about whether this mainspring barrel is spinning freely enough to be assembled in the movement, please let me know. Thanks for watching.